Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pad. In today's adventure, we're going to draw Venom. So, let's jump right in. First, we're going to begin with his eyes. They are a little bit creepy, so we're going to start right about halfway on our page, and we're just going to start out with little curves. Curving out, curving around, keep curving, and what we're trying to do is just try to make his outline for his eye, but with curves that aren't equal. And then at the very top we want to hook in, come down, and that same kind of creepy lines we want to do. Boom, there's one eye. Now, same thing on the other eye. Just keep doing these kind of creepy waves. Up and down and up and down. Some long, some short. And then curl up to a point. And around. And then same kind of creepy waves. Up and down. Alright, and there we go. There's his eyes. Really creepy. And let's give his head a nice, I don't know, roundish, rectangular-ish look to it. We're going to actually stop right there. And then here, same thing, line comes down around. I'm going to stop right there. Alright, now for his creepy smile. We're going to start really close to like this point. If you come all the way down, we're going to come down and stop. Same thing over here. Come down. Stop. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come down and around and do a nice big smile. Come down. Around and stop, down and around, stop. Okay, good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add his tongue, because that's a pretty big feature of him. So what we're going to do is curl up like this, and then do two big bumps. 1, 2, and curl around, and then connect. Then we're just kind of finish off this circle just a little bit. On this side, we're going to come straight down, and then curl up, stop there. Then we're going to follow this back and connect here. Follow this back. Boom. There we go. There's his tongue. Now we're going to add his teeth, which are just going to be jagged. We're going to curl in and then straight back. Curl in, straight back. Awesome, looking good. Okay, same thing here. Awesome, that's looking really nice, guys. Alright, then what we're going to do is we're going to actually add a little bit of a we're just going to connect. So we're going to add just the line to connect. Looking good. And then let's get his shoulders. We're gonna actually pretend like he almost has no neck. Come out and do an arm. Here we're gonna do a straight line. Then come out. Have an arm under here. Let's get his chest. Come down. Chest. Come down. His arm. And we're gonna have his hand come out, kind of like he's trying to reach out towards us. Okay. And his thumb. Awesome. Then on to this side, we're going to come up with his thumb, curl it in, out, one more. Okay, there we go. Count that as good. And we're going to do real stubby legs. We're just going to do 1, 2, 1, 2. Bam. Let's actually do one more line this way. Then come to the other side. Do a few more lines. Connect to a shoe and come up. Awesome, and that's almost it. We're just gonna add some details, add in some lines, and then bam! There we go. There is Venom. It's a little bit cute, a little bit creepy cartoon that we drew, but there we go. Look how good that looks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.